Welcome to English Coaching Project's Funny Expressions. And today's expression is to be miles apart. Here's the joke. What is the longest word in the dictionary? Well, it's smiles, because between the first and last letter, there's a mile. Those two S's are a mile apart. To be miles apart describes the situation where people hold very different positions, especially in a negotiation, and it's unlikely that the two sides will reach agreement. Obviously, to be miles apart can also mean that some things are miles apart. So why is this joke funny? Well, really, it's a pretty basic joke. There's not much. There's a mile between. It's just funny. Have a great day. Bye. Thanks for watching. Anti-disestablishmentarianism. What on earth does that mean?